Hello, teacher Juan Manuel. Hello, classmates. This work is the phase 5 of our course Gerencia Proyectos 3. Our team is Nelson Casiani, Johan Rincón, y Carlos Mario Rosas. Uh, our project is Methodological Proposal for Environmental and Social Management, Case Study Sonso Lago.
Maps of anthropic pressure and images of the current critical state of the wetland, water, agency, proliferation, loss of water, mirror, and agricultural expansion. To provide a solid foundation for this intervention, we structure a hierarchical legal framework and the constitutional level. We are bound by Articles 79 and 80 of the Political Constitution of Colombia, which concern the collective right to a healthy environment and the state obligation regarding ecological planning and restoration. From a technical and regulatory perspective, we articulate like 99 of 93 and Decree 1076 of 2050 with the demanding environment standard and the guidelines of the General Methodology for Environment Study for the Ministry of Environment. This making warrants the necessary operational and
Thank you very much, Nelson. In the environmental diagnosis phase, our team identified that the main biological and geophysical pressures stem from direct wastewater discharge, intensive use of agrochemicals, and neighboring crop areas, tropical dry forest deforestation, and hydromorphological alteration due to accelerated sedimentation. To precisely quantify these issues, we formulated and applied developed matrix methodology, crossing project actions with environmental factors to evaluate the level of risk, probability, and severity of each impact. The results obtained in the matrix trigger critical errors within the ecosystem, demonstrated negative environmental impacts corresponded to wastewater discharge and agrochemical use, which reached the maximum negative significance with a score of 81 due to their destructive cumulative impact on water chemistry and the result eutrophication. Likewise, in the socioeconomic component, the decline in artisanal fishing recorded a critical significance of 52, directly threatening the food security and economy of local communities. Finally, deforestation with a value 64 and agricultural expansion with 56 demonstrated severe biological fragmentation within the territory.
Good afternoon, everyone. Johan showed us a very serious problem. The wetland is in danger because of pollution and human activities. Our purpose is a management plan with practical actions. The first is we want to improve water quality. We will use natural-based solutions, for example, green filters, artificial heatlands. They system help clean the water naturally. They capture nitrogen and phosphorus before the water enter the wetland. And second, we will protect the area around the woodland. We will create clear buffer zones for the use for we will use GIS technology. GIS. This helps us identify and protect vulnerable areas. The goal is to stop the expansion of buffaloes, farming, and agriculture near the wetland. With this action, we hope to protect biodiversity and restore the ecosystem. To make the project successful, we create an environment monitoring strategy. This strategy helps us check the condition of the wetland over time. First, we will measure water quality. Second, we will monitor sedimentation. And third, we will protect wildlife. These studies help us understand animal movement and ecosystem health. But the most important part is the community. We want to work together with local artisanal fishermen. This co-management model gives the community an active role in conservation. We also propose a circular economy model. The water isn't removed from the woodland, can be reused, it can be transformed in the organic fertilizer and paper, for example. In this way, the project also creates green jobs and economic opportunities. Thank you.
To close our environmental project management model, we apply the multi-criteria analysis methodology under the concept of environment critical path by evaluating variables such as technical feasibility, ecosystem benefits, and implementation costs. We determined that the typical component of water and soil marked the primary priority for immediate investment to save the lagoon, while institutional government and economic incentives and up the secondary structural support for the medium term.
In conclusion, this study demonstrates that management and international ransomware return cannot be approached through isolated actions, temporary patches on abstract theoretical discourse. It demands a systematic approach where environment engineering, managerial rigor in controlling indicators, and community inclusion for an unbroken mechanism.
Okay, finally, we believe this solution can help protect wetlands and natural in our country. It's a practical and sustainable solution for climate, for biodiversity protection. Okay, teacher, that's all. Thank you very much. Bye.